Hello students, good afternoon. How are you this afternoon? I hope you're still okay and you are doing good. So since you cannot go to school and study at the classroom, so we have another option. So we have video and you can learn at the same time at your home. So it's time to learn English. So grade 4, this is your vocabulary for this week. You have to study about your vocabulary. The first vocabulary: leaves, bat, ants, trees, the sea, crocodile, fish, rhino, eagle, fur, wild animals, bird. So you have to memorize the vocabulary, all the words, and then spell it. Okay, so for the spelling, let's spell the word or the vocabulary leaves. 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 Bat. 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 Ants. 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 Trees. 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 The sea. Thesea. The sea. Crocodile. 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 Fish. 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 Rhino. Rhino. Eagle. Eagle. Fur. Fur. Wild animals. Wild animals. Wild animals. Bird. 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 So for your homework, you have to send it to Line and you have to make a video of this vocabulary. You have to read and spell the word. Okay, so I hope you are doing good and thank you for your attention. Have a wonderful day to all of you. Bye bye. See you next time.